This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Wi-Fi calling in settings so your iPhone can route calls over the internet when cellular is weak. Open Settings, tap Phone, then Wi-Fi calling and toggle it on. You may need to enter or confirm an emergency address for 911. Do that now because carriers require it. Once done, your phone registers with the carrier over Wi-Fi. This step ensures your number remains the same and calls use your data connection instead of poor cellular. Next, place a call normally from the phone app. You don't need a special app. If Wi-Fi calling is active, you'll see a Wi-Fi calling label next to your carrier or on the call screen, indicating the call will use the network. If cellular interference persists, put your iPhone into airplane mode and then enable Wi-Fi to force all voice traffic over Wi-Fi. Make sure your Wi-Fi is strong and not captive. Otherwise, the call quality can drop and the phone may fall back to cellular. To finish, end the call and check your recent calls to see the Wi-Fi calling indicator. This confirms success. If you can't activate or the call fails, restart your iPhone and reconnect to Wi-Fi because a reboot clears temporary registration errors. If problems continue, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, and if that still fails, contact your carrier to verify the feature is provisioned on your account. One key tip: incorrect emergency address prevents activation, so verify that address in settings when prompted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.